is the new Xiaomi Smart Cooking Robot, a kitchen from the future but at a reasonable price compared to the Thermomix. As the Xiaomi Smart Cooking Robot is priced at 4,599 ringgit compared to 7,488 ringgit for the Thermomix TM6. Gila lah. Since Raya is just around the corner kan, jom buat rendang. I've been craving lah. We try to masak the rendang according to the recipe given. Let's say if you want to try out a different dish that are listed, you can add them into your favorite for the future cooks. Oh, by the way, this rendang recipe is suitable for beginners since it's in moderate.
One hour later.
Rendang kita dah siap lah guys. Tak sabar ni nak rasa.
Kan, it's time to taste test the result.
Not bad. Cair sikit lah tapi rasalah rendang tu.
Let's give this daging rendang a rating, okay? 1 out of 10.
For me, 5.5.
I would rate this a 5 out of 10. It tastes like rendang, it's there, the flavor is there, the spice is there. But sadly, the process of us doing it, I think dia kira sekali with the chunks. It's a bit of tough time. So Aisha, do you think this is a yay or a meh? Meh.
Tapi kalau orang yang baru belajar masak kan, this one okay lah, not bad lah untuk korang yang beginner.
So, what do you guys think on the Xiaomi Smart Cooking Robot? Would you give this a like or comment down below on your answers.
Jangan lupa untuk like, komen dan follow saya. Ciao.